Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super big but nice and really elegant. These table lamps, they're super fancy, they're super elegant. They're also quite heavy, I have to say, because it has kind of like a marble base right here, and also this golden accent, this chrome, kind of like they're chrome golden accents, I want to say. But it's also kind of like not shiny, not glossy, I want to say. And that was my cat that just entered the room. But this one, they have some kind of a symbol. It's going to be super easy, trust me. The only thing you got to do is kind of like put the rings, the golden rings over here and on the bottom of this shade over here. And it's going to take you about, I want to say, probably like 10 minutes, both of these 10 minutes, no more than that. But the other thing about this one, they're super heavy. I'm going to turn them on in a few seconds. They also come with USB ports right here. They have an USB-C port and also, and my God, I'm flinching right now. This is super heavy. A USB-C port and a USB-A port. So these are super good for example, nightstands. So you can actually put these table lamps in your nightstand. And in the same time, you can actually charge your devices like your phone, your tablet, your smartwatch and things like that. So it comes with, of course, kind of like the hanging chains over here. So one, two, and it also comes with the light bulbs. I do like the fact that you can put whatever light bulb you have, but these ones that comes right here with the actual package, they're super cozy. They're kind of like cozy yellow, when I say like warm yellow. So those are kind of nice in case that you don't want to replace them. So you can take a better look to the chrome golden accents over here, and of course the marble base with the actual USB-A and USB-C for both of this. I really like them. They're super elegant. They're stylish. Let me actually show it to you a little bit closer, or actually zoom out. But as you can see over here, these are really big. They're heavy. They're 26 inches tall, and these are super fancy and elegant. So they could also be really good for your living room. I like them. I do recommend them. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.